Let's see how you can make success and happiness easy, enjoyable and convenient for yourself while making life wonderful for other people too. Good Life College is for people who want to have both happiness and success, who want to enjoy growth with global legends, and who want to find like-minded people to help each other succeed. If you recognized yourself in any of these, then join the 15,000 TimeBookers and Good Life College users from 94 countries all around the world. I am Mihkel Sepp, and I love to invent smart growth tools to help myself, my favorite people, and actually everybody else in the world have a wonderful life too. So therefore I've created TimeBooks, which are growth and productivity planners 2-in-1. So you would keep growing every day by learning from global legends through short on-point videos and taking real action, not just learning, and staying productive every day to maximize your life, to get more out of your life, to make big things happen. If you want to have only the growth part and not the productivity part, then check out MentorBots that basically make global legends into bots that will be in your disposal 24/7 and guide you quite personally towards your success. For example, you can have a bot that teaches you, like Tony Robbins, to heal your money mindset. Good Life community is there for people who want to find accountability partners, mastermind buddies, to grow together and help each other succeed. You can find them based on the location. If you want to have them in your hometown, you can find them based on profession, and you can also find their mentors and mentees for yourself in the Mentor Line program. So just check it out and make growth and happiness and success really convenient for yourself. If you want to summarize it all into one sentence, then Good Life College is for people who want to make life wonderful for themselves, for their loved ones, and actually for everybody else in the world. Enjoy the goodlife.college website and learn more about the different products and choose the best one for yourself.